Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So we have a pathway now that we already have a consumer ready for us, but we are missing this pay grade thing, right? So let's write quickly a function for that and let's see how it works. So again, there's no sequence, you can put it anywhere. So let me write this after this. Function will take this whole teacher object. Uh, Teacher object goes here, and pay grade is going to be a string type. So let's write string here so that I'm getting as a output. Okay, let's call this fn equals, and it's going to be teacher object which has all these things. So okay, why even teacher? I think we can just pass, number, that integer. Teacher integer will be also better. I'll just pass salary, and on that salary I can get the object. So let's just say salary goes inside this function interface, and I have to write a logic. So semicolon. Now let's use it. So if salary dot not dot, if it is greater than or equals to, so let's see the requirement. So if it is greater than 1000, 70,000, so it should be a. So if it is greater than or equals to 70,000, so return a. Okay, else, for else if, let's copy this, is else if salary is 60. So if it is 60, it's b. Let me now copy this else if now, paste, and one more else for last. So if it is 50, so grade salary will be C. If it is, oh, it's not 50, it's 40. Alright. And if it is 20, so it's D. And if it is just 10, so E. And let's have else block. In case if salary is even down that, so we can say invalid salary passed, because we are assuming that 10,000 is the last salary limit. We cannot go or give anyone like below this 10,000. Okay, so invalid salary passed in this argument. And then what? We have everything with us. Now accept will take teacher. It goes here. Teacher takes this. Here's the teacher object. Now after address, how I want to print this? Teacher's name, address, salary, and at last I can print pay grade. Okay, so let's modify this, say plus pay grade, and I'll write grade, and then that will get appended with what's coming from here. So I'll write fn dot, and then we have to use this function interface method, that is apply. So apply, oh sorry, yeah, sorry, if I have to use it, if I have to use this reference, this should be out, right? That's how Java works. So it should be up. Now I can say apply, and need to pass salary here. So teacher dot get the salary, right? So we are passing salary from here. It goes, then calculates and returns back the response, that is in string type. So whatever comes up, it says grade A, B or something. So let's put hyphen as well. Okay, it's done, and that's the only thing you have to do. Just create one function interface and pass it here. Nothing will impact this for loop. This remains same because everything we are changing in the consumer side. So both function interfaces are used. So let's run the code and see the impact. Now you can see grade C, grade D, grade A, and it's 9,000, right? So invalid salary passed. Okay, so that's how these two interfaces can be worked. And of course you can add some more logic, because in last output we are getting grade. That is wrong. So in case if you're getting something else apart from these grades, so you can put a condition. Of course, for that you can have some blocks before it checks what's the output or what's the salary, then accordingly call the apply function. So try this out. If you're not able to do this, let me know in the comment section. I'll write this code for you guys. But for now, just giving you an idea, instead of writing one line code, have a block, check the salary. If it is greater, if it is equal or greater than 10,000, that's fine. Otherwise, just give a custom message. Okay, so it's working. In next video we will see or use predicate, and then we will wrap up this consumer topic. So stay tuned guys, we have still lots of coming. So let's meet there. Bye bye.